Hi, my name is Diane. I recently worked on a team project called Airbnb. You see here, this is a housing reservation site. It consists of 4 separate modules. One is a photo carousel up here. One is a bookings reservation site here. One is a housing descriptions. And one is the module I created, which is the reviews component down here. So each module, or has its own, was worked on by a separate team member. We each created our own fake data, which we then seeded like 4 separate databases with the fake data that we created. And so this is my proxy server combining together all of the separate modules from our team project. It's spun up with a Docker image and hosted on an EC2 instance. And so the way that we did combine this together was that we uploaded our separate JavaScript for rendering the React and for rendering our component onto the website in separate JavaScripts onto S3. And then we did also each deploy our module onto using Docker Compose containers onto 4 separate EC2 instances, and it was through these EC2 instances that we were able to access the database for the separate components. And so we did it this way instead of putting the entire proxy server and all the separate modules and separate databases all on the same Docker container. We did put it in separate ones because some group members were still working on changes to their particular component while others were working on their proxy server. And so after one team member could change their component, all they had to do was upload the new JavaScript for that component. And then since all of the links and everything was the same, we were able to immediately, in our separate proxy servers, I was able to immediately see changes that a team member made to their component just by refreshing the page, because I did not need to go into my EC2 instance. I didn't need to pull the newest image down from team members and delete all of the volumes before I did that. The way we had it, we chose to do it this way in order to more quickly see changes in each team member's components while others were working on the proxy server. And this made it easier to work on the styling to combine all the components together, because we were able to immediately see the changes after small things were changed in each individual module. And so here is our Airbnb site. Thanks for watching.